Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like and share. Click the bell so you will be notified if new video is uploaded. Today we going to make bomber jacket. First, we cut the fabric. Cut the lining fabric. Cut the ribbed fabric for collar, cuff and hem. Prepare the pocket. Sew the parallel line in pocket fabric. Cut in the middle and make a V cut in the corner. Turn inside out the pocket fabric, pin it and give a good press. Sew the pocket zipper all around using zipper foot. Attach the other piece of pocket fabric using edger or normal sewing machine. Sew the other pocket. Since it is symmetrical, follow the same way we sew the other pocket. Sew the side seam with 1 cm seam allowance, right side facing together. Sew the shoulder together, but first prepare the back shoulder by gathering it for ease. Pin the front and back shoulder facing the right side of the fabric and sew it. Then top stitch the shoulder in the right side. Prepare the sleeve. Sew the side seam, right side facing together. Gather the armhole for ease and pin the sleeve matching the notches. Sew the sleeve slowly and make sure no fabric caught beneath. Sew the zipper, but first attach the fly fabric, then pin the zipper and sew it using zipper foot. Do the other side of the zipper. Attach the ribbed fabric in the hem using the edger or normal sewing machine. Don't forget to pull while sewing it. Attach the collar in the neckline. Pardon me, I don't have a video clip for attaching the cuff. Sew the lining fabric. Same way as we sew the main fabric, except we leave a space unsewn so we can turn inside out. Attach the lining with straight stitch from one side of the zipper to collar and will end up in the other side of the zipper. Attach the lining with the hem using the edger machine. Attach the lining in the cuff using edger machine. Turn inside out and give a good press in the zipper, collar, and hem. Make a straight stitch from one side of zipper to collar and will end up in the off size of zipper. Then close the opening. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something and let us sew together again.